Morning, lads. I had a few questions about the F1 or the rain light, however you wanna categorize it, that's on the diffuser. I did wire it to the third light, which is right there, rather than on the stop light in the back. So if you remove on the passenger side, the back seat just flips down. This guy just kind of, as you can see, clips in around here, so you just pull up a little bit and you have some space to move it aside. And look for this particular wire. Okay, you need that is brown and red and white. Okay, and from the diffuser you have red and black. Okay, that's positive and negative, and you have another one, a third color wire, which I clipped off because that is a constant, meaning if you turn on the lights it will come on, and I didn't opt in to do that because it just, I don't know, to me didn't look good and it was too bright. So basically I just used the positive and negative. Okay, all right, so hopefully you guys cannot hear the landscapers, but they're at it again. So my red wire goes to the red and white, which is positive. The brown wires are usually negative in the cars, so black goes to the brown. So find yourself this connection. If you want to connect the F1 or the rain lights to your third light right here, so when you press the brakes, this is only for the brakes. When you press the brakes it will activate the light and it will just have a little flicker and then constant and then flicker and constant. That's how this one comes with. So yeah, hopefully that helps.